Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome to Food Cravings. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be sharing a recipe of chicken yakhni pulao. This recipe is very easy. It can be made in few steps and tastes super delicious. You can trust me for that. Even beginners can make this recipe in few steps with a great ease. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First, you have to saute onions in a pan. You have to add some cumin, saute it so that the fragrance comes in, and you have to add some tomatoes, then add some chicken and saute it. Then add ginger garlic paste, add a little bit of water after sauteing it, add some garam masala, whole garam masala, and allow it to cook for a good amount of time until the chicken is tender and chicken cooks properly. Now when you start seeing that oil is started separating, time to add in rice and some good amount of water. Allow to cook rice, and then you have to simply put it on simmer. And after that, when you open the lid, this is how rice looks. And when you mix it, you will be able to see that everything is in its place and everything has cooked very nicely and it tastes so amazing. Try this recipe at home and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more amazing recipes that you can easily make at your home. This is totally delicious recipe of chicken yakhni pulao. It's kids friendly. Kids can eat it very easily. Take care. Bye bye.